Hi, today we're going to talk about converting improper fractions to mixed numbers using both a visual model, and we're also going to show how this can be done with division. So the first thing to know is that an improper fraction is any fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator. So it's or some people refer to it as a fraction greater than 1 whole. So let's start with something like 24 sevenths. Well, we know that 24 sevenths is greater than 1 whole because 7 sevenths is 1 whole. So I'm going to start with a visual model. So we have a group of 7 here. You can draw this out, so we have 7 sevenths here, and we want to get from 24 sevenths, we want 24 sevenths. So we're going to start with 7 sevenths, and we'll keep drawing groups of these 7 sevenths, because 7 sevenths equals 1 whole thing, until we have more than 24. Or I should say we have 24 or more. So here we have more than 24. Let's double check that we have 24 or more. So I have 1. I'm going to color these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Even though there's empty ones here, I'm not going to color them in because I'm looking for 24 sevenths. Now, we could say you can look at it and that's perfectly fine. You could come up with the answer. You have 3 and 3 sevenths. I'm also going to show you how to do this with addition and also division. So we have 24 sevenths, and you could say, well, this is 7. Let me rewrite that. This is 7 sevenths plus 7 sevenths plus 7 sevenths plus, over here we had 3 sevenths. 7 sevenths is the same as 1 whole thing, so we could also write this as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 sevenths, and our answer is 3 and 3 sevenths. Now, another way to think of this is as division. All fractions take the numerator divided by the denominator. So another way to rewrite this is 24 divided by 7. 24 can be divided by 7 3 times, because 3 times 7 equals 21. We subtract that and we get 3 left over. We turn this into a numerator, this into a denominator. So our answer is 3 and 3 sevenths. So sometimes if you're good at division, you can just turn it into a division problem, and then you get your answer for converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. I'm going to continue this. I'm going to now do some 6 just these here so I can make a group of 6 really quick. Looks pretty good. And I'll do that so I can multiply these out. All right, so I'm going to, I think I'll start with, let me come up with a number. Let's go with something pretty big. We'll go with 34/6. So I'm going to change 34/6 into a mixed number. So that mixed number means a whole number plus some fractions. So I'm going to draw out groups of 6/6 wholes. 6/6 equals 1 whole. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. I'm going to keep going until I feel like I'll have at least 34/6. At least 34/6. So here I'll color in 34 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So there's my 34/6. If you wanted to just count, you could count 1. You could count 1. Oh, there you go. You could count that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5. And then there's 4/6 left in this one. So there's 4/6 in that one. So you can see from the visual model, you have 5 and 4/6. Again, to do this arithmetically, if you didn't want to draw all these out, but you're not sure how to do the division, you could just write it as, instead of drawing it all out, you could say, well, I'm going to do, I know 6/6 is 1 whole, and I want to get to 34. So I have 1 group, 2 groups would be 12/6, 3 wholes would be 18/6, 4 wholes would be 24/6, 5 wholes would be 36, and 36 plus 4/6 is 34/6. So then I could change this, and I could say, well, this is 1, 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 this is 4/6. I can add these all up, and I end up with 5 and 4/6. Another way to do this, a lot of people, if you're good at division or you just want an even easier way you'll learn division, is you can say 34/6 is the same as 34 divided by 6. And so 34 divided by 6, well, 5 times 6 is 30. And I have 4 left over, so my answer must be 5 and 4/6. So there you see it as 3 different ways to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's try this one more time, and we'll do a different, let's do groups of Let's do groups of 5. So I already have this picture, so let me just erase this and make it a group of 5. So I can use that visual model. So now I have a group of 5. Let's do let's do 27 fifths. 27 fifths. All right, so as a visual fraction model, I would draw out groups of 5 until I get 27. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I need 27, so I have to do 30, so that's more than 25. I'll color them in, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So that's what 27 fifths looks like as a visual model. And if I was like, I didn't have to show a visual model, I didn't want to do that. That just takes so much time drawing it all out. Another way to do it is to say, well, I know 5 fifths is one whole, and I want to do I'm going to keep doing 5 fifths until I get to 27. So 5 fifths plus 5 fifths is 10 fifths. Keep going. 3 groups of 5 fifths is 15 fifths. 4. I'm doing if I do 4 of those, I get 20 fifths. If I do 5 of those, I get 25 fifths. 25 fifths. I need 2 more to get to 27 fifths. So this is, again, 1 plus 1 plus 1. I'll make that a plus better. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 fifths. You can see that that is the same as a visual fraction model. So here you ended up with 5 and 2 fifths. Here you also ended up with equals 5 and 2 fifths. But if you're too lazy to do that, or you're like, there must be an easier way, this is just too hard, there definitely is an easier way. That's division. So 27 fifths, you can take equals 27 divided by 5. So you can do 27 divided by 5, and you end up with 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract that and you get 2 left over. So the 2 goes in your numerator, and this 5 from here goes in your denominator, fifths. So this is your same answer as here and here. So this is definitely a reason to pick up your division and understand fractions. So again, we change an improper fraction into a mixed number. Thank you and have a lovely day.